When it comes to accounting software for startups, Wave versus AccountingSuite is a popular comparison that many business owners are making. Both platforms claim to offer valuable tools, but which one truly stands out in terms of support and features for startups? Let's dive into what they each offer and which one might be the best fit for your business. First off, Wave is known for its free plan, which is a huge selling point for startups that need to keep expenses low. It offers basic invoicing, expense tracking, and financial reports. However, while it's free, the level of support Wave provides can be a bit limited. You'll mainly find self-help resources like guides and community forums, which may not be enough for more complex issues. Plus, if you need personalized support, you're pretty much on your own unless you're willing to pay for extra features. Next, Accounting Suite offers a more comprehensive solution tailored to growing businesses. You get advanced accounting features like project tracking, time tracking, inventory management, and customizable reports. This can be a major win for startups looking for more than just basic tools. However, despite its robust features, it doesn't exactly excel when it comes to support. The company offers a live chat and phone support option, but you'll still have to deal with long wait times and potentially confusing responses that may leave you needing more clarity. Now, one thing I noticed with Accounting Suite is that it can feel a bit overwhelming for beginners. There's a steeper learning curve compared to Wave, which is more intuitive and easier to jump into. This could be a big deal for a startup that doesn't have the time to invest in figuring out a complicated system. Accounting Suite's complexity may be fine for businesses that are scaling fast, but if you just need basic accounting tools to get started, it might be overkill. The fourth thing to consider is mobile support. Wave offers a decent mobile app that lets you manage your finances on the go, but the app is a bit limited compared to its desktop version. Accounting Suite, on the other hand, offers a mobile app as well, but it's just as feature light, meaning you're likely going to be relying on the desktop version for any substantial work. Another factor worth mentioning is integrations. Both platforms allow you to connect with third-party apps, but Wave's free plan has limited integrations compared to Accounting Suite, which offers a broader range of connections to other tools like Shopify, Stripe, and PayPal. This can be a huge advantage for startups that rely on multiple software systems to manage different aspects of their business. So, where does that leave us in the Wave versus Accounting Suite debate? Both platforms have their merits, but they come with some significant drawbacks that you need to be aware of. While Wave's free pricing structure is appealing, its limited support and features could hold your startup back in the long run. Accounting Suite's features are great for growing businesses, but its complexity and less than ideal customer service might frustrate some users. After trying both myself, if you're looking for a better option, one that combines great support, simplicity, and robust features for startups, I recommend checking out the first link in the description. By using our link, you'll get access to the best free trial and exclusive benefits, which are only available to our viewers. Trust me, it's worth giving a try if you want a hassle-free experience that actually supports your business goals.